hard to have a conversation about what's going on in capital markets without at least mentioning AI as a driver of interest. If we go down a level below into the fintech space, what are you seeing as the impact for AI?
All of the companies that we're working with, private and public, view this as an arms race as it relates to AI. We've spent a ton of time in AI over the course of the past 6 months. We hired a new global head of AI investment banking, who was chief strategy officer at DataRobot. And so she's put us in front of a long list of private AI companies. We've also done a roadshow with sovereign wealth funds, pensions, and mutual funds, just getting their perspective on the AI investing landscape. What's interesting, having done 15 of those meetings, is the consensus feedback is great companies need to really understand the business plan and the economic model for each of them. And so in the interim, the best place to allocate capital to get exposure to AI, without naming names, is 2 or 3 of the biggest large caps, and you can see it reflected in their stock prices.
From an M&A perspective, I would say all of the large corporates are trying to figure it out, figure out how AI fits into their fundamental business plan, what element of it's disruptive, what element of it accelerates their own roadmap. I think most will probably look to acquire as opposed to build organically. I share Paul's view. It's an arm race, and when it's an arm race, M&A tends to be the natural answer to do it quickly. Where I think folks are struggling as they look at various opportunities through an M&A lens is what's real AI versus what's a buzzword in a PowerPoint deck.